Hello, Boilermakers! Welcome to the fundamentals of AET tools. By the end of this video, you should know how to safely and correctly use safety wire pliers. Before we talk about how to use them properly, let's cover what you should not do. Using tools the wrong way can cause injuries or damaged parts. Do not use safety wire pliers as regular pliers. Do not use them to twist random wire that is not safety wire. Do not use them to pry, pull, or hold heavy parts. Watch as the technician uses the safety wire pliers. He firmly grabs the two ends and locks the safety wire pliers with the mechanism. Then, he pulls on the handle to twist them. Perform this repeatedly until the desired twist is reached. Then, he releases the pliers. These are specialty tools, and if you misuse them, they will not only damage the tool, but you can hurt yourself and mess up the safety wire. Safety wire pliers are useful tools. Using them correctly helps protect the aircraft, the hardware, and you. Always choose the right tool and work safely.